2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. SE model, one owner, previous government fleet vehicle. Aluminum wheels. Well maintained. $82,000 miles. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Beige cloth interior, tilt and telescoping steering wheel with driver information center, cruise control, steering wheel stereo controls, CD player with auxiliary input for MP3, heat and air conditioning, driver passenger zones, and rear zone. They all have different temperatures. You got multiple cup holders. Second row bucket seats that are stone gold. They fold flat down into the floor. Easy access to the third row seat. So you can take and you can fold the second and third row completely flat into the floor, giving you a flat load surface. Lots of room back here. Again, this third row seat folds down flat, and then it gives you a flat load floor. Now you can see pictures and pricing information on our website, hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. Open to 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.